Petopia.
An initiative by Sakar Media.
सकार पेटोपिया प्रेजेंटेड बाय सकार मीडिया में हम बातें करते हैं टू पीपल हु आर एक्सपर्ट्स इन दिस इंडस्ट्री. बहुत सारे पेट ग्रूमर्स, वेट्स, पेट प्रोडक्ट जो बनाते हैं उनके साथ हम बातें करने वाले हैं. आज मेरे साथ हैं पेट एंड मी के ओनर आदित्य साखरे. हाय आदित्य, वेलकम टू द शो.
Hi Minil.
हाउ आर यू?
I am great.
तो सबसे पहली बात, आपके पास पेट है?
Yeah.
हाउ मेनी?
I have one dog.
Okay.
He's a German Shepherd by the name Simba.
ओह, दैट्स अमेजिंग. क्या बात है. सो व्हेन डिड यू गेट सिम्बा?
So I got him in 2022 October.
ओके.
And from then on, it's been a great journey with him.
ओह,
So pet parenting in Pune, basically, when we started with Pets and Me,
राइट.
we always wanted to understand how a pet parent feels in a city.
Of course.
So for that, learning has always been at home.
Right.
So having Simba at home is always a learning and the
Yeah.
problems that a pet parent face.
करेक्ट.
So we basically understand it every day.
क्या बात है. जरा अपने दूसरे पेट या बेबी के बारे में बताइए. पेट्स एंड मी, व्हाट डज दिस डू, व्हाट डू यू मेक?
So Pets and Me is a quick commerce platform
Okay.
dedicated only for pet supplies.
ओके.
So we deliver into entire Pune within 1 hour.
ओके.
We are located at Baner. We have
Okay.
a dark store at Baner.
वाओ. ओके.
From where on we are connected with more than 25,000 pet parents in Pune itself.
वाओ, दैट्स अमेजिंग. कल से आपकी जिंदगी कैसे बदली है?
So शुरुआत में तो it is always like a cute pup coming in your
Right.
home, a lot of love, a lot of happiness.
Yes.
And it is always a cute side when it starts unfolding.
करेक्ट.
So Simba is a German Shepherd. He's a large breed.
राइट.
So he needs space. He needs exercise.
करेक्ट.
And all these things we considered before getting him home.
ओके.
And before that, I had a Labrador.
ओह,
So
ओके.
he was there with me for 14 years of my life.
वाओ.
And it has been a great journey with him as well.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
So after having that pet, I definitely wanted something
राइट.
in a larger category. So I chose a German Shepherd.
राइट. पर जो पुणे में पेट पेरेंट्स बनना चाहते हैं त्यांना तुम्ही काय म्हणाल की काय आहे जे तुम्ही नक्कीच आधी ह्याच्यावरती लक्ष द्या आणि त्याच्यानंतर पेट घेऊन या?
सो तशा बऱ्याचशा गोष्टी आहेत
बरोबर.
की पेट पॅरेंट होण्याआधी किंवा एखादा पेट घरी घेऊन येण्याआधी
हो.
what all things you should keep in consideration. So
बरोबर.
I would say the most important thing is time.
राइट.
So time is of like the most priority thing that you should analyze for yourself.
करेक्ट. करेक्ट. खर्च खूप होतो आपण म्हणतो, पण टाइम, पैशापेक्षा जास्त टाइम असायला पाहिजे
So
तुमच्याकडे.
पैसे हे कन्सिडरेबल आहे म्हणजे
बरोबर.
it is like an variable asset. Like,
करेक्ट. करेक्ट.
you can always have a pet with no income and with high income also.
राइट. राइट.
So if you have a dog, तो काही खाईल तुमच्या घरात, तुम्ही जे
बरोबर.
देईल ते खाईल.
बरोबर.
बट तुमच्याकडे जर टाइम नसेल तर यू कॅनॉट गेट टाइम ऑन लाईक यू कॅनॉट लेंड आउट टाइम फॉर
करेक्ट. करेक्ट. ऍब्सोल्युटली. सो हे एक झालं टाइम. दुसरी गोष्ट.
दुसरी गोष्ट इज स्पेस.
ओके.
सो ॲज वी ऑल नो की ब्रीड्स खूप आहेत.
हो.
सो आय डोंट वॉन्ट टू स्पेसिफिकली पॉइंट आउट ब्रीड्स बट
Correct.
देर आर लार्ज ब्रीड्स, देर आर स्मॉल ब्रीड्स.
करेक्ट.
त्यांचे रिक्वायरमेंट्स वेगवेगळे असतात.
बरोबर.
त्यांची ऍक्टिव्हिटी लेवल, त्यांचं माइंडसेट, त्यांचं टेम्परमेंट यू
हो.
कॅन कॉल इन पेट्स,
हो.
ते वेगवेगळं असतं. अगेन यू हॅव टू कन्सिडर वॉट who all are going to stay with that pet in
Right.
the house.
राइट.
So if you have kids, if you have old people at home,
या.
who is going to walk him out?
राइट.
ह्या सगळ्या गोष्टी लक्षात घेऊन यू नीड टू कन्सिडर द ब्रीड आणि
Correct.
त्या हिशोबाने यू नीड टू लाईक कन्सिडर द स्पेस दॅट यू हॅव.
या.
So if
Yeah.
suppose you are living in a small space in a city in a 1 BHK or
Yeah.
something, you cannot have a large breed at your home.
Absolutely. For sure.
Because they need space. They
Correct.
need that kind of environment where they
Yeah.
can grow out in their natural form.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely. So time, space, definitely. Is there anything else that you think?
So I would always say that money is the important
Yeah,
factor.
yeah.
So pet parenting is not dependent on money, but
Yeah.
definitely if you have to take good care of your pet.
Yeah.
So the first year when you adopt a pet,
Yeah.
it is going to be your expenditure.
Correct.
So all the new pet parents out there, that is the the
खर्च होणार आहे.
पहिला वर्ष you have to go to the doctor,
बरोबर.
you have to visit him, vaccinations. तो तोडफोड करेल, तो तुमच्या
बरोबर.
घरात ऍडजस्ट करणार होणार.
हो.
त्या दरम्यान होणारे जे नुकसान असेल
हो.
तर ते तुम्ही कन्सिडरेशन केलं पाहिजे.
नक्कीच.
अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट त्याचं बिहेवियरल रिलेटेड किंवा ट्रेनिंग रिलेटेड तुमचा
हो.
जो खर्च होणार आहे
हो
सो तो पण एक कन्सिडर केला पाहिजे.
नक्कीच. बहुत सारे लोगों को ऐसे लगता है कि हमारा अकेलापन दूर हो जाएगा विद अ पेट, हमें कंपेनियनशिप मिल जाएगी. आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ बैचलर्स हु लिव अलोन जिन्होंने एक पेट अब अपने लिए ले लिया है बिकॉज दे फील लाइक यू नो दे इट्स ग्रेट कंपेनियनशिप. व्हाट डू यू थिंक, व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन पेट्स भगाविंग स्ट्रेस, टेंशन?
So pets are definitely stress busters. Like,
Yes.
I am in for it.
Correct.
Because मी आता माझं उदाहरण द्यायचं झालं तर when I go home after work
Yeah,
and it's a very stressful day and let's say so I have Simba waiting for me
right,
and he's always with that energy and that happiness is greeting me
correct,
and that is just an stress buster for me.
Correct,
So I
correct.
just need to take him out for a walk.
absolutely.
And it is attracted by a lot of other things. Like
Yeah.
if you have a pet at home,
Yeah,
you will never feel lonely.
correct.
So there is always somebody around,
Yeah,
and it is proven by science also that pets having inside a house,
Yeah.
they have a positive vibes and all those.
right,
Vibrations.
absolutely, of course, absolutely.
So that is beneficial for
For
reducing the stress.
Definitely. And one thing that came into my mind, you of course talking about pets that help with dealing with stress, dealing with tension, and we all know कि even if you're scared of animals, the minute you see an animal ना आपके दिमाग में जो भी problems है वो भाग जाती हैं, because if you're scared then you're just worried कि अरे ये मुझे
Exactly.
काटेगा, ये मेरे पास आएगा. And if you're not scared then of course we all know the pleasures and the joys of just having a pet around you. I have to get this insight. What is the one thing that pet parents are constantly and urgently in need of? ये अभी चाहिए 1 घंटे में. Since your platform provides this, what is the highest sales? Which product?
So this is a very like the most important question I would say. Because a lot of pet parents are like 11th minute buyers
Correct,
and
correct,
they
correct.
don't understand that they mostly don't know
Yeah.
because उनका pet का food खत्म हो गया
Yes.
and that is the urgent need.
Yeah.
So I have people rushing down from like अभी मैं सिटी से बाहर आ गया था, अभी
Right.
छुट्टी करके आया हूँ
Yeah.
and then I come to know कि माइलो का फूड खत्म हो गया
हाँ.
या शॉन का फूड खत्म हो गया.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I need it urgently.
Correct,
So they
correct.
don't even wait to order on an app or something. They
Yeah.
just give us a call. We have
Correct.
a number. So
Yeah.
they call us, and that is the urgent need. So
Absolutely.
in pet industry, when we
Yeah.
speak of food, is the urgent.
Is always the urgent
Always
need.
the urgent need.
What is another product that you think ki?
So we're also dealing with medications.
Right.
We are into pet pharmacy as
Oh,
well.
really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we are operational 24/7 on that category.
Oh, wow.
So a
Okay.
lot of customers wherein let's suppose you find a tick on your pet.
Yeah.
So that is a nightmare for a pet parent.
Correct. Correct.
And
correct.
if you see a tick
Yeah.
and you see it in the evening or some that part where
Yeah.
you cannot visit a vet,
Correct.
Immediately.
Correct. Yeah.
so pet parents are always very hyper on that part.
For sure.
I need a spot on, I
Right.
need tick control, something right
Yes.
away,
Yes.
because ticks multiply on a very large
Correct.
scale
Correct. Correct. Absolutely.
and they are not ready to wait.
Yeah.
So when it comes to other things, it is always about the medications. Like there is like pet khana nahi kha raha hai, so
Yeah.
some deworming tablets or
Correct.
some antibiotics.
Correct.
So we basically have a platform that delivers an entire
क्या बात है?
range of medications.
Super. What according to you is ideal grooming with a dog? Like how often should you brush? How often should you bathe? How often should you take them to a groomer? What's your insight?
So grooming is a very important aspect when it comes to an external health of your pet.
Correct.
Because that is something that is going to control the ticks and the other part
Absolutely.
externally.
बिल्कुल.
So when I speak of Simba,
Yeah.
like my dog,
Yeah.
we bathe him twice a month.
Okay.
So that is an ideal grooming
Correct.
like strategy for me.
Right,
That has
right.
worked best.
Yeah.
If your pet is living outside and it is a frequent exposure to garden areas or mud or
Correct.
any other places where there is dirt
Yeah.
and there is garbage or any like that kind of
Yeah.
things. So you need to bathe them more often. Like
Okay.
I would suggest weekly once.
Okay.
And if it's a large long coat breed,
Right.
let's say, so there the maintenance
Like
goes
your
high.
golden retrievers and your.
Yeah, so the maintenance goes high. So I would suggest you brush your pet every day
Right.
so that their skin is not attracted by dust
Yeah.
and it is dusted off easily.
Right.
And that ticks and fleas are the major reasons why pet fall ill.
Right.
So if you don't have that on your pet's body, your
Right.
pet is always going to be healthy.
Absolutely. Another thing about grooming is, of course, shedding. How do you take care of that? Is that something that you have accepted and learned to live with, or is there a way to sort of? Is there a season? वर्षभर होत
Exactly.
नहीं है, seasons मध्ये होतो. हाँ.
So shedding, we say we have already made that mindset की वर्षातून काही
होणार.
दिवस
You
असा
need your
आहे
peace
की
with
that
it.
is going to happen.
Correct.
So you use anything.
Right.
So we recommend fish oils in that period.
Oh, okay.
Where it increases the texture on the skin and
Correct.
the coat चांगला राहतो.
Oh, nice.
So basically fish oils आहेत चांगले that
Okay.
you can use. Shedding period मध्ये you can make sure you brush your pet twice a day.
Okay.
So that makes it cleaner. Like
Correct.
तुमचं
House
घर
doesn't-
जास्त घाण नाही होणार.
Correct.
Apart from that, जे शेड होणार आहे ते होणारच आहे.
Another thing about pet parenting, I feel, is the city also makes a big difference when you're sort of trying to get a pet with you. पुणे का क्या बोल सकते हैं इकोलॉजी है when it comes to pets?
So definitely city makes a difference, a big difference.
Yeah.
So as I said, before having a pet, you should consider the space that you have.
Correct.
So I would say rather city के बारे में बोलने से अच्छा है कि how much space inside the house.
Inside the house, yeah.
But definitely how much space you have nearby your house to
Right.
walk your pet,
Yeah.
to roam him around. So you
Yeah.
have playgrounds where you
Correct.
can, or gardens where the pets are allowed.
Yeah.
So that is needed. So
Correct.
Pune doesn't have a pet park yet
Yeah.
that is dedicated only for pets.
Yeah.
Most of the places you go inside a city.
Yeah.
Now you go in Bangalore,
Yeah.
which is a very pet friendly city, I would call,
Correct.
because there are a lot of cafes, lot of hotels, a lot of restaurants that allow pets.
Oh.
So that is a big factor when we consider about
Yeah.
having pets in Pune.
Yeah.
So Pune, I feel, still needs to open up more on that part because
Right.
the-
But I think, thankfully, if not parks, we definitely have a lot of restaurants these days that are pet friendly.
Definitely.
Mall bhi aa gaya pet friendly. So
Exactly.
I think we're opening up to the idea of being a pet friendly city.
But we need a pet park,
Yeah.
and the population of pet is really growing in Pune.
Yeah.
So this is what a pet
Just to give
parent.
us an idea, since you probably have maximum figures of like pet parents in the city, you started Pets and Me when?
2022.
2 years ago.
Yep.
तब से अब तक क्या है आपका डेटा क्या कहता है कितना बढ़ गया है पेट्स आपका सेल्स भी पेट पेरेंटिंग भी
So we are clocking huge sales on
Right.
pets. Like right now, if I say majority is on the dog side.
राइट
So people are crazy about dogs.
Yeah.
They love dogs.
या
But cat parenting is also growing.
Right.
So different types of cats. Now earlier, if you see 5 years down the line, the Persian cat category has grown up like anything.
ओके
So in
Okay.
Pune, when we speak of cats,
Right.
it is as equivalent to as dogs.
राइट
Dogs have a different thing. Like basically, you
Correct.
have a dog at home.
या
It is always a different thing. But
Yeah.
cat parenting is, I would say, more costlier.
Oh,
It
yeah?
is. It
You
is.
think
It
so?
requires more grooming,
ओके
and Persian cats require more tender care. So that is there.
राइट एब्सोल्युटली और किस तरह के पेट्स यू थिंक अपार्ट फ्रॉम डॉग्स एंड कैट्स इन पुणे
So there are exotic pets,
Yeah.
but we don't deal in that category
या एब्सोल्युटली
because there are like some are not allowed legally.
legally
So,
correct
Pets and Me only deals with dogs and cats.
Dogs and cats. That's what Sakar Petopia is all about, presented by Sakar Media. Aditya, thank you so much for being part of Sakar Petopia. जाते जाते आप pet parents को कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? Anything that you'd like to say before you go?
So one single message
Yeah.
that would be pets are a bundle of joy.
Yes.
So they don't expect anything in return.
Yeah.
They just give it away, and that is a very good thing that we having a pet at home.
Yes.
It is always give you joy, but before getting them home, always think about the time, the energy that they require to exhaust in a day.
Absolutely.
So if you have that, then there is nothing like pet parenting.
बिल्कुल, it's a huge commitment, and if you're ready for it, then there's nothing more joyous than that. सुनते रहिए Fever 94.3. We were in conversation with Aditya Sakre. He's the owner of Pets and Me, which is basically an e-commerce site for all things pets. आपके doorstep तक 1 घंटे के अंदर पहुंचा देंगे आपको जो भी चाहिए अपने pets के लिए. So yeah, don't forget to check it out. Pets and Me. Aditya, once again, thank you so much. सुनते रहिए Fever 94.3. मैं हूँ RJ Meenal. This was Sakar Petopia, presented by Sakar Media.
An initiative by Sakar Media.